Ready to transform your raw YouTube data into actionable insights that skyrocket your channel's growth? Let's dive right into connecting your YouTube channel to Google Looker Studio first. Head over to Looker Studio and create a new report by clicking the blank report option. Now, you'll see the Connect to Data panel. Search for the YouTube Analytics connector. It might take a moment to load. Once you've found it, click on the YouTube Analytics connector. A window will pop up asking you to authorize Looker Studio to access your YouTube account. Select the Google account associated with your YouTube channel and grant Looker Studio the necessary permissions. Don't worry, this is a secure connection. Next, you'll see a list of YouTube channels linked to that account. Choose the channel you want to connect to Looker Studio. Once you select your channel, Looker Studio will display the available metrics and dimensions from your YouTube Analytics data. Click Connect in the top right corner to finalize the connection. Boom! Looker Studio will automatically create a simple table showcasing your YouTube data. From here, you can add charts, graphs, and customize your report to visualize key metrics like views, watch time, subscribers, and more. Now you are all set. Explore the power of Looker Studio and create engaging reports that give you the complete picture of your YouTube channel's performance.